So good morning everyone. So for today we will be discussing all about the concept paper. So I think it is not di na to bag-o sa ato ang paundong magbitaw because we also have a research paper. So marag same or sad sila og kanang purpose. So to give you an overview, background information about it, so let me discuss the information. So what is a concept paper? So concept paper is a brief document. So kung maingon kag brief gani, you mean mubo ra siya but on point ang ato ang information nga nakabutang. And then depending upon the requirements of a specific academic program, the concept paper may range from as few as 2 to 3 pages to as many as 10 to 20 pages. The essential point of a concept paper is to explain the importance of a particular research project. The parts of a concept paper may also vary depending on the nature of the project or activity. Below are the two qualities of a concept paper based on the context. So there are two outlines of a concept paper. So use the following structure when you want to propose a certain tangible project in your discipline. So this is the concept paper for a project. Number one, the cover page. The cover page. So it is not dili na sad mo kung ano na unfamiliar about it because sa research na to nasa tay cover page wherein nakabutang dito ang title, ang mga proponents, mga researcher, and then ang date, di ba? And then diri sa kanang diri si concept for a project, ang nakabutang sa iyahang introduction is will state the name of the proponents or researcher gapon and their affiliation, the address, the contact number, and email address for the proponents, the head of the agency and his or her contact information and date of submission. So, ang nakabutang sa cover page is overall about the proponents' personal information. And then the number two is the introduction. State the information about the funding agency to show that you understand its mission, the mission of the agency that the proponents represents and align it with the funding agency's mission. The year of the proponents agency was established, its major accomplishments, and other details that demonstrate its capability to undertake the proposed project. As well, present and describe other partners, agency, and why they are qualified as such, and provide reason why the funding agency should support the project. So introduction, you mean all about the gidiscuss dire mga information kung para asa ang funding agency para mas mailhan bitaw or mas masabtan kung unsa ang ilahang mission, di ba? And then say rationale or background. So number 3 na ni rationale or background. In the rationale or background, you will state the gap in knowledge to be addressed by the project, the problems to be solved, and the project significance. So ang mga problema nga needed nga ipasolve based sa katong project proposal. Og unsa di pud ang kaimportansya nganong mag-need man ta ani nga kana project, di ba? So mag-state sad ka dito kung para asa man ang nganong state nganong mag-propose makag project nga ingana. Di ba? So dapat kung mag-propose tag kanang project, di ba? Importante siya and significant pod. Number 4 is the project description. State the goals and objective of the project. Present the methodology, sometimes termed as action plan, project activities, or approach. Then present the timeline expressed in months and year. State the benefits or anticipated outcomes and how success of outcomes will be evaluated. So project description, sa description pa lang, so maka-conclude na ta nga it's all about the kung sa yung characteristic, objective, ang goal na adire sa project description. And then nasa diri ang imong action plan or project activities or approach nga pagahimuon nimo. And then for number 5, we have project needs and cost. Outline the main budget. Include the item description and amount. Explain or justify how the budget will be used and list the personnel or equipment needed for the project. So sa kuan pa lang, needs and cost, kwarta ang giistoryahan diri. So as explained by the definition ani nga, you will have to list all the expenses. So dapat na include diri ang item, unsa na nga item, para asa, and ang amount kung tagpila ang item. And then i-explain sad nimo diri sa project needs and cost kung unsaon man ang budget, kung unsaon paggamit ang mga budget. Also, kung maglamang ganit po tayo project, diba needed man po ang mga equipment. So, diri sa i-appeal sa nimo siya og list, there is a project needs and cost.
Concept paper for academic research. Use the following structure when you intend to present an idea or concept for a research you would like to pursue. 1. Title page. State your research title, your name, your school, and the date of submission. 2. Background of the study. Provide the current state of the field you are researching on. State the gap in knowledge and problems to be addressed by the research. Provides statistics and previous studies to prove your claims. State the reason why you want to investigate on the chosen topic and the theoretical and practical implications of your proposed research. 3. Preliminary literature review. Provide theoretical framework. This includes the theory that will guide you in the conduct of your research. Another is provide related literature that supports your topic and related studies that will help you in conducting the research on analyzing and discussing the data. Lastly, provide brief synthesis of the reviewed literature and studies. 4. Statement of the problem or objectives. State your general problem in one sentence and your specific research questions or objectives. 5. Abridged methodology. Provide the context and participants of the study, the instrument to be used, the data collection procedure, and the data analysis scheme to be used. 6. Timeline. Provide timeline, e.g. Gantt chart set in months and year. 7. References. Provide a list of all books, journals, and other resources cited in your paper.
Guidelines in a writing concept paper. 1. Use statistics and configures, and when discussing the rationale for the subject. 2. The budget and methodology and timeline should be clearly assigned. 3. Use no more than 5 pages, single space, excluding the cover page. Do not overwhelm the writers with details. 4. Never request funding for planning the proposal. 5. Adjust your language to the enacted writers. Technical terms are only for scholars and scientists. Writers should, however, refrain from using jargon when your target writers are lay persons. Be sure that basic format details, such as page number, are incorporated. 7. Cite your reference.
Ways in explaining a concept. Number 1, definition. It's a method identifying a given term and making its meaning clearer. Its main purpose to clarify and explain concept, ideas, or issues by answering the questions. What does it mean? You may use the following signals word definition as defined, for example. For instance, is defined as means such as to define to and to illustrate. Definition, the use of this is to clarify meaning of each term. Ang conception para dali ra nato mailhan o ma-identify kung unsa ang buot pasabot sa usa ka words. Number 2, explication. It's a method of explanation in which sentence, verse, quotes, or passage are taken from literary or academic word and then interpret and explain in a detailed way. You need to clearly present your thesis in the introduction and follow up with a detailed analysis of passage or text. You may begin your body of explication by analyzing and explaining how that text was constructed, and it should end with a concise conclusion by restating your thesis and major argument. Explication ay pag-explain sa mga sinasali na mga pangungusap. Number 3, classification. Is a method of explanation in which points are organized from a general abstract idea to a specific and concrete example. You may use the following signals words for clarification. After all, as an example, consider the following. For example, for instance, in a words, in particularly in short, namely, but another way, especially stated different, that is to be specific, to clarify, and to illustrate. Clarification is to clarify the term of each word sa pagklaro sa mga word nga para masabtan pa nato og tarong.